This 5th generation iPod has a major fault. It will not hold a charge. Even when it's plugged in, it will not turn on. So let's get a new battery in it and get it back up and running. Cracking into an iPod makes me very nervous. Never having done it before. I'm gonna bleed. Yeah, I'm gonna cut myself. Oops. Don't do that. I like it how on the iFixit website it says if you can't get it open right away, don't get discouraged. The sharp bit on the ends of these things is digging into my hands. This is not fun. With a little bit of persuasion and a little bit of beating with a butt end of a screwdriver, I seem to have got it started. The last time I used spudgers like this, I did cut myself. I'll put a link in the description to the video where I do that. Every time I hear a bit of plastic crack, I get so nervous. Now we're making progress. And there it is. I don't think I broke anything. That, I imagine, just goes back in there somehow. Well, I can see the battery. I just don't know how to get to the battery. All right, we got all kinds of parts and pieces now. Uh-oh. All right, one crisis at a time. There's our battery, and there's the latch. Let's see if we can zoom in. That's as far as I can zoom in. So it is down here, and there's a little latch you have to... I think that's it. This battery should just be glued in. This battery is incredibly swollen. But now there's all kinds of glue underneath. Oh, there it goes. All right. I think that's okay. Old battery. New battery. New battery sits like that, I believe. I think the battery just sits like that. All right, new battery's installed. Now for the tricky bit. Because I accidentally took out this ribbon cable here. And that's not going to be easy to get back in. How in the bloody hell am I going to do this? Oh my god, I did it. I'm sorry, I had everything in the way there. It is so small, I needed my glasses and a magnifying glass. I don't know how I got it in there. I don't know how, but I think it's in. Where does this go? Oh no. What did that go to? You know what? We're going to assume that I don't need that. I don't know what this is. I don't know where it goes. And I am just going to go along with I don't need it. Let's clean off this screen a little bit because I got fingerprints on it. That's enough. This goes in the flick wheel. All right, we're back together. I have never been so nervous to test anything in all my life. You'll have to excuse the noise. I'm 3D printing some shelving brackets. I could wait 15 minutes, but I can't. All right, so plugged in. Think it's gonna work? Well, we have an Apple logo. And a backlight. And it hasn't blown up yet. All right. I could work on getting some of the scratches off and doing other things, but to be honest, I kind of like these things a little beat up. It shows that somebody used it, somebody loved it, and it did what it was supposed to do. Took your music on the go. I don't know what I'm going to do with it now that it's repaired, but I do have some ideas. And so with that, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in another video.